In the first video in our Merchandising Moments series, you saw how we can very easily manage special events in Elastic Path Commerce Cloud. You saw how we could merchandise a new back-to-school category within our catalog, really with just a few clicks. And now in this second video, what we're going to show is how to manage a loyalty experience for your customers. The idea here is that you want to provide a differentiated experience to your best customers. So we're going to demo how easy that is with Elastic Path Commerce Cloud. So again, you saw our demo site in the last series, and I was able to place an order as a guest. But what we want to highlight is that for our special customers who belong to our loyalty program, how we can create a differentiated experience. So let's go and look again in our Commerce Manager. And you can see in our list of catalogs, we actually have a loyalty catalog already set up. And I'm just going to review how easy it is to create this type of experience. So in this scenario, what we want to be able to do is offer our best customers early access to some of our upcoming products. So common scenario, certainly that you see in brick and mortar stores, is the idea of pre-order capability. I want to go in and pre-order some products. And so this is exactly the scenario that we want to offer to our best customers. So I created, under this list of hierarchies, we have our fall pre-order hierarchy. So this enables us to merchandise the products that we want to make available for pre-order. And I have some basic categories for men and women. And again, you can add child nodes if you want, and create any experience in this hierarchy for fall pre-order. But what I've done is I've just added a few products to the men category that we want to make available. Now, of course, when you think about pre-order, there's some additional data that we need to understand and make available. And just to show you what I mean by that, if I go and look at one of these products, for example, let's go look at the hat. I'm just going to quickly do a search, and it's going to bring back that particular hat. And again, you remember we utilize product templates to hold custom data for our different products. And in this case, we're using pre-order data to say, okay, what is our inventory that we want to make available for pre-order, and how many can an individual customer order per order? We don't want someone to come online and pre-order all of our quantity and then resell it or something like that. So this gives us some great control on the pre-order functionality. So we can see that that particular baseball cap is meant to be a pre-order product, and we're going to now merchandise this experience. So again, we've created our fall pre-order hierarchy. We have the subcategories. And now what I'm going to do is just, again, manage that from a catalog standpoint. So a couple of things are happening in this loyalty catalog. You can see we've got the same hierarchies for buy, rent, and membership that our standard experience has. But now I want to overlay and add this fall pre-order hierarchy that we've just merchandised, right? We've created the hierarchy, added subcategories, put some products in there, and our products have all the right information to create the experience that we want. And then I can manage the price list as well. So not only for my loyalty catalog do I want to offer a specific set of products that only my best customers are going to have early access to, but I also perhaps want to offer them some special pricing. So for any product that we have, we can actually manage loyalty pricing as well. So you can manage multiple price books within Elastic Path. And then on this catalog page, essentially what I'm doing is I'm generating or composing a catalog experience for my loyalty customers. I'm going in and saying, go get my loyalty price book and pair that with this selection of products, everything that lives in these hierarchies, and then publish and make that available. So that's great. We have a catalog, we've got special pricing, we've got special products, and I can of course always see all the products that are in any catalog. We can see everything that's available here. But how do I make sure now that only my loyalty customers have access to this pre-order catalog? Well, we do this through the rules layer that we make available, and it allows merchandisers to say, okay, how do I ensure that a catalog is delivered to the right experience. So I've clicked on my loyalty rule, and you can see super easy, super simple. I simply say, okay, which catalog applies in this context? And we've selected our loyalty catalog. We can add accounts. We'll cover this in another merchandising scenario, but if you work with business accounts, this allows you to very easily go in and select accounts. But in this case, we've added our loyalty customers here under Add Customers. Of course, this can all be done via the API. You can upload a list of customers. We can even integrate into your CRM if that's required. But fundamentally, what we're doing here is we're saying we have this catalog for our loyalty customers. It's got special products and special pricing, and we need to make sure that only our loyalty customers have access. So we've created that rule, we've saved it. And now when I come back to our front end experience, I need to log on, because until I authenticate, I'm going to get this standard anonymous experience or the non-loyalty experience. But once I log in, now you can see I have this new top level nav for fall pre-order that we've added as part of our loyalty catalog. And I can go in and shop just as you would expect. So we can see all the different products. I can click on that hat, and we can add the information that we want to our cart and click out from a pre-order perspective. And then based on whatever business rules you have for pre-order, that product will get shipped when appropriate. But that's how easy it is to create a very curated experience for your best customers in this case, but really for any customer experience that you want.